Hi everybody. If you export files into a CSV file and it's not automatically opening with Excel, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Most of you probably already know this, but if you don't, hopefully it will help you. So in the search field, I'm going to start typing default app settings, and it's going to come up. I'm going to choose it. And then right down here, I'm going to choose default apps by file type. It'll take a minute to load. This is the very same process you would use to set Adobe as the default application to open PDF files if you find that that's not happening. So there they go, they're going to load. So I'm going to scroll down over on this left side where you see the application extension. And I'm going to find, oops, went too far, CSV, right there. So if it does not say Excel, then you would click on it and you would navigate and click Excel. Same thing if a PDF is not opening with Adobe, you would go down in this list on the left, you would look for PDF. If it doesn't say Adobe, you would click here and navigate to that, and that's all there is to it.